My name is Yao from Digital Strategies. You probably have watched our another video that I'm having an interview with a Chinese doctor who is working at a local clinical lab. We talked about how the current situation here in China and why is conducting a detection test is so important at the very early stage of this pandemic. I will leave the link down below. Make sure to watch it. You guys have probably aware that we've been working very closely with DAAN to help ease the global pandemic. DAAN is the molecular diagnostic leader here in China. Its factory and lab are located at the Guangdong province. We've been heard false negative test results on the news quite a lot. Why does the test kit come out these wrong test results?
因为核酸检测技术呢，总的来讲，我们讲的是就是荧光 PCR 技术也许，所以整个的 PCR 的过程呢，它的实际是技术含量是很高的。那么作为整个检验的过程，它也需要从样本的采集到整个的样本的处理，对吧？包括到核酸的提取到上机，那么整个需要有很规范的标准去做。所以这个在每一个环节出现一些问题，可能都会造成检验结果的不太准确。
The last footage I want to share with you guys is DAAN's test kit is actually featured on CCTV News. CCTV is our national TV station. It is talking about the DAAN's test kit is ready to ship out to Wuhan at the end of January. It is also to mention that they are actually one of the first two companies who got those test kits released at the very first stage.
好的，王爷，那我现在就是在达安基因公司的仓库的所在位置。我身边的这一些呢，就是这一次即将要运往武汉的。